Welcome back to the channel. This is PointOfViewCars, and today we're doing something totally different. We will be playing around with some car configurators, specifically the Porsche one today. It's pretty hard to schedule different cars to be driven, which is the usual content you're used to seeing here. So this is kind of a complimentary series that I've made up here, and I think we can have a pretty good time with it. To make it even more fun, I think you can give me some suggestions on which model I should do. Should I have a budget? What should the budget be? Should it be a different type of scenario, a family car, somebody who just likes to hit the track, or, really pretty much be very creative in that regard. And please leave me a comment on different scenarios you guys would like to see, and I'm going to try and fulfill them. But we're going to start off with the Porsche Cayenne today. It's an SUV, as you can see, and it is definitely one of my favorite SUVs on the market. I think we're not going to go with the turbo as the hybrid. We're going to go with the E-hybrid. So let's see what we can find here. Thank you for interest in a Porsche sports car. Yes, we're very interested here right now. Okay, so this is what we're starting off with. We're starting off with a white color. We're definitely going to change that. I'm thinking jet black metallic, moonlight blue. That's also pretty cool. Special orange. No. Okay, we're definitely going with the black. I think a black is a good starting point. The wheels. Let's see here. 22-inch 911 turbo design. Ooh, that is mean. I have to tell you that. The interior. Where is the interior here? I mean, it is already a great looking car. But okay, inside here, the partial leather. Is there some sort of lighter beige here? That is what I would want. We're not going to go with gray. This is full leather, and this is partial leather. Well, now this is hard. Okay, I think we're just gonna go with the black then. Yeah, or we'll go crazy with some other color, black and red. I mean, I really would like this, but I don't know. This kind of throws me off that this is black, but we're just gonna go with this one then, I guess. Seats, comfort seats, 8-way electronic, comfort seats front, 14-way electronic. No, you really need that really luxurious seat when you are the driver. Do we want seat hitting front? We're not going to have the seat in front and rear because we do not want any rear passengers in our Porsche Cayenne. Stitching, interior trim package with decorative stitching in contrasting colors. Seat centers. I mean, oh no. Oh no. Interior trim package. Oh no, what have I done? What did we just trim? I actually have no idea what we just did. If anybody knows what we just did, please let me know. The exterior. Panoramic roof system. You always need that. We do not want any roof rails. Deletion of differentiation features. No. We want people to know we're saving the planet with our hybrid. Roof rails. How many roof rails are there? Carbon design package. Let's try it out. What does it offer? Exterior mirror painted in black, sports exterior upper trims. Wait, do I like this? Do I? I mean, I actually like it better without it. You know, I don't know what you guys think, but I actually personally think that it looks better. Sport design package painted in black. What is painted in black? Oh, it's the front. Let's go to the front then. The front. Okay, here we see definitely a big difference. So this, yeah, yeah, we do want that. Sport design front apron. Okay, we definitely wanted it in high black. That is looking pretty cool. Stainless steel skid plates. Um, let's see. Yeah, yeah, no. We definitely want that. We definitely do want that. Exterior mirrors painted on exterior color, no. Door release levers painted in black. This doesn't really matter. We do not want a LED door light. That is a bit tacky. Model designation on doors black. We do not need that. Model. Okay. All the different colors. Decorative side logo. Porsche black. Where is the logo? I think it's there. It's gonna be very tacky, right? I'm 100% sure. Yep. We're not gonna have that painted in black, including deletion of. No. Okay, wait. This is gonna be pretty cool, I think. Oh, yeah, we definitely want it in black, I think. Or in high gloss. Yeah, let's go with that. Model designation, painted interior color. No, no. Okay, yeah, my bad. Deletion of model designation, no. Electronic extending toolbar system. I will personally not be towing anything on my Porsche Cayenne. 8-speed Tiptronic, adaptive air suspension, check. Dynamic chassis control, check. Rear axle steering, check. Power steering plus, we can do that. Sports tailpipes black. Now, this is, yeah, yep. We definitely do like that. And sports exhaust system. Okay, it's just the same looking. Yeah, let's go with that. Surface coated the brake pillars. The brake pillars, do we have an acid green? Yeah, because they're black currently. Yeah, I totally forgot about that. Okay. Yeah. We definitely do want them painted in something. Or wait. No, I don't want to go back and change that. An acid green. Yeah, sport chrono package, including mode switch and compass display on dashboard. We sure want that. Light and vision LED headlights. We sure want that. Nope. Tinted. We do not want any tinted headlights. We do want some dynamic light systems. Those are always definitely nice. Automatically dimming exterior and interior lights. No interior mirrors. No, we don't really need that. Privacy glass. Check. Thermally. Okay, this is definitely what we need. We also want to keep the noise inside and keep it warm. Comfort and assistance systems. Park says front and rear. Nope, we definitely want the whole thing. Surround view. Lane keeping assist, adaptive cruise control. Yeah, let's get the whole package here. The heads-up display. Check. Night view assist. We don't really need that. Lane change assist. It's a bit unnecessary, but let's get it. Comfort access, soft closed doors, sure thing. Interior heated windscreen, sure. Ionizer, what is this? Oh yeah, it's the air quality, sure thing. The 4-zone climate control, yes. Driver memory package, We're gonna be the only one driving this thing, so no. Ambient lighting. Sure thing. Exclusive design gear selector. Yes, we definitely want to change the gear. Okay, it's looking a lot better there. Seat ventilation front. Oh, yep. Massage function is very underrated in a car. Okay, we'll actually remove the adaptive sports seats for comfort. Okay, yeah. Let's go with this. Side airbags in the rear. Sure thing. You can't go wrong with that. Steering. Heated steering wheel. Check. Interior package in painted exterior color. No. Vehicle key painted with key pouch in leather. Yes. Electric roll-up sunblind for rear windows. Nope. Floor mats. Check. Fire extinguisher. Yes. Seat belts and can we get a better look at them? Yeah. Truffle brown. Oh my god, we have so many different colors here. In beige, maybe in red. How tacky is this gonna be? Nah, that's pretty cool looking. Let's go stay with that. The compass. I definitely just want it in black. I do not want to change that. Load space management system. Yep, we do not need that. Interior leather. Leather interior package in interior color. Yep, nope. Or no, we don't want that. No. With Porsche crest. Definitely something that you need. Porsche crest there. Moto logo on center console storage department lid. Wait, what? No. Porsche crest on the headrests. Let me show you guys this. Of course. Personalized floor entry letter edging deep. Sure thing. I definitely want some luxurious floor mats. Roof lining, grab handles, and a leather. Yes, seat consoles and leather front and rear. Yeah, we definitely want that. We don't want any scratchy leather there. Extended trim package with grab handles and a leather. No, we already did that. Alcantara interior. I'm actually not that big fan of Alcantara. Interior wood, carbon, aluminum. Let's see here. Where does the aluminum go? Yeah, I don't know. I definitely like there's the high gloss black there. I think it's pretty cool. Any wood, dark walnut, native olive, chestnut, what? Yeah, I think we're just gonna stay with that. Yep, I'm happy with this. Interior carbon. Nope. Audio. Definitely do want the best audio system. We're gonna have some bopping beats here. Porsche Vehicle Tracking System Plus. Sure thing, give me that. Digital radio. Check. Rear seat entertainment. No. E-performance. Well, we don't really need to worry about this here. Thinking about what we want. So we can just grab all of them or none. Factory collection. Wheel and wheel accessories. Decorative valve sleeves. 20-inch. Well, I mean, doesn't really, we don't really need to do that right now. Interior, sun visor, footrest, all weather, transport and protection, roof box, rear bicycle carrier, snow bag, cool bag. I mean, there is a lot here. Child seats, no children in this family. Rim care set, winter care set. There is a lot here. But yeah, I actually think we're pretty much done. Let's hit the summary and see. Do we have a price or anything here? No price. But this is kind of what we're going to do. We're going to customize some cars. Yeah, see what you guys think. So, hopefully you guys enjoyed this. Be sure to go and hit up your own customizations, and it's kind of fun to do when you're a bit bored. So here is our final car. It is looking mean and clean in my opinion. I mean, I would definitely like a lighter beige here, but you can't get everything. But otherwise, I think it's looking pretty good. Actually, this does not look great, the two-tone there, but otherwise, I definitely do like it. So, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys later as always. Bye.